Assalamu alaikum, young Muslims. Are you ready to embark on a journey to discover the wonders of Ramadan with us? What is Ramadan? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It is a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community for Muslims. Fasting during Ramadan. Muslims fast from dawn until sunset during Ramadan. This means they do not eat or drink anything during daylight hours. Fasting helps Muslims develop self-discipline, empathy for the less fortunate, and focus on spiritual growth. Iftar and Suhoor. Muslims break their fast at sunset with a meal called Iftar, and they have a pre-dawn meal called Sahur before beginning their fast each day. These meals are often shared with family and friends, promoting a sense of community. Tarawih prayers. In addition to the 5 daily prayers, Muslims also perform special prayers called Tarawih during Ramadan. These prayers are held at night and consist of long portions of the Quran being recited. Charity and generosity. Giving to those in need is emphasized during Ramadan. Muslims are encouraged to engage in acts of charity, zakat, and voluntary giving, sadaqah, to support the less fortunate. Many Muslims also participate in feeding the hungry, sponsoring iftar meals, and contributing to community initiatives. Learning and reflection. Ramadan is a time for Muslims to reflect on their faith, seek knowledge, and improve themselves spiritually. Many Muslims also spend time reading and studying the Quran during this month. Night of Power. Laylatul Qadr. The last 10 days of Ramadan are particularly significant, as they include Laylatul Qadr, or the Night of Power. It is believed to be the night when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and is considered the holiest night of the year. Muslims spend this night in prayer and supplication, seeking blessings and forgiveness. Eid al-Fitr. Ramadan concludes with the celebration of Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast. It is a joyous occasion marked by communal prayers, festive meals, giving of gifts, and acts of charity. Eid al-Fitr is a time of gratitude, celebration, and unity within the Muslim community. Learning and reflection. Ramadan is a time for Muslims to reflect on their faith, seek knowledge, and improve themselves spiritually. Many Muslims also spend time reading and studying the Quran during this month. Physical and spiritual benefits. Fasting during Ramadan has both physical and spiritual benefits. It promotes self-discipline, detoxification, and empathy for the hungry. Additionally, it offers opportunities for introspection, self-improvement, and renewed faith.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure to learn about Ramadan. Remember to subscribe for more exciting videos and share the joy of Ramadan with your friends and family.
Have blessed Ramadan, everyone.